So today we're going to talk about leads for divorce attorneys. And we are inside one of my clients' accounts. This is a divorce lawyer that is looking for leads of people getting divorced. Pretty straightforward. So let's take a look. We're running this as maximum conversions, and this is for this month so far. So August 1st through the 19th. Our direct search campaign has produced 11 leads this month at a conversion rate of 12%, which in the legal space, a 12% conversion rate is phenomenal. It's well above Google averages, but also well above legal averages. It's a heavy tire kicker type business where, people are searching around looking for a lot of information. So if you're able to convert at 12% of your traffic to your landing pages, and you should all be using landing pages when you're running Google ads, you can make some serious money with Google ads. And I'm going to show you the type of money you can make with Google ads in the next set of videos. So $17 per click, we're converting those leads at $144. And you might say, holy shit, $144. That's a lot of friggin' money. Well, let's take a look down here. Total leads for this month has been 23. 12 leads have come directly from local service ads, and we're averaging with local service ads $185 per conversion, which means local service ads is in the $225 to $250 ranges for a conversion. So you can see we're converting phone calls, and this is 90% phone calls, is at 145 using search. And then on local service ads, we're coming in at a little over 225. There's a lot of value on local service ads, and that is a great lead and a great call for an attorney to get because that person has seen reviews. Local service ads kind of has a landing page if you click into it. So overall, this client has received 23 leads for the average cost of $185 a lead. So let's check out, is it worth it to run Google ads for divorce attorneys? So we're going to go over to the budget calculator. So this client wants 30 conversions a month, which we are on pace to do. The average click is $17.46. Our average account conversion rate is 10.55%. So we need 285 clicks and about a $5,000 a month budget. That's what we have. Then we're going to switch over and say, okay, out of those 30 conversions, how many of those are going to become actual customers? Where this client converts about 25% of their inbound leads into a paying retainer. Retainers for this client is $5,000. So to move beyond an intro call, it is a $5,000 retainer, and that's minimum. I, unfortunately, have been divorced, and mine cost more than that, and that was 15 years ago. So their average divorces, you can't even put an average on it because it all depends on kids, assets, and things like that. So let's just use the retainer. So this client will turn 8 out of their 30 leads into closed business with a retainer revenue of $37,500 with a budget of $5,000. Google Ads is a huge win for this divorce lawyer. There's 3 attorneys in the practice, so they can easily handle the lead flow and this amount of customers. This will at least double. This will absolutely at least double in total revenue once you see an entire client all the way through. And for this particular client, he told me a story. He tells me, if you need a forensic accountant, that's $50,000 for a forensic accountant. And he said it's becoming more and more prominent as more and more people own crypto. More and more people are using Venmos and a lot of different ways to transfer money and have money in different places. A forensic accountant is becoming more and more prevalent in even modestly average divorces with assets. I'm not even talking about ultra wealthy. I'm just talking about typical, kind of standard divorces where their office is. It is a wealthy area, but even the regular, income divorces, we'll call it, are looking at forensic accountants because of things like crypto and all the money transferring type stuff. So Google Ads for divorce attorney works. You can make a ton of money getting a consistent, steady flow of leads. If you need leads for your business, Google Ads is absolutely a great option and would love to talk to you about it further. Talk soon.